Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another expert option video. Without further ado, let's go to the video. Today I'm back with another expert option strategy. To this strategy, we need to add the awesome oscillator indicator. As you can see, I have already added the indicator. If you don't know how to add it, simply go to the indicator tab and select the awesome oscillator and add it. Keep the default settings. I also added the two moving average lines. If you want to know how to add these moving average lines, please watch my previous videos. Okay, now you can see green bars and red bars at the bottom. The green bars represent the up market. The red bar represents the down market. By analyzing these bars, we can predict the market. As you can see, the market is making green bars. That means the market is now on an uptrend. Now I'm gonna put $50 a buy order. Don't be too quick and place your order. Be careful when you put your orders. Analyze the market for at least 3 minutes. I usually use more than 2 indicators to be sure. Okay, now you can see I got $40 profit. Now I'm gonna show you some markets that you shouldn't trade on. As you can see, at this time the Bitcoin's market is very unstable. Never trade in markets like these. You can't predict this kind of market. The Ethereum market is also unstable at this moment. The Ripple coin market is a bit stable. But still, don't trade markets like these. It's very risky to trade in markets like this. Okay, let's go back to trading. Now you can see the market is making little red bars. That means the market is gonna go down. Now I'm gonna place a sell order. See, the market is making huge red bars. That means the market is definitely going to a downtrend. Okay, again I got $40 profit. Always be careful when you trade. I'm gonna end my video right here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.